and welcome to the new Indian Express TNIE videos. My name is Manju Kalanidhi and today I have with me the superstar singer Sunita Upadrishta. I know we have superstars and actors and directors, but I would say you're the superstar in singing.
I was about to ask you, but you said it everything.
Yes. So first of all, congratulations on starting your new year with the live show. I wanted to go back a bit and ask you, what lessons did you learn in 2021?
2020 actually learned a lot of lessons. And more than learning lessons, lost Balu Garu that particular year. Losing him is the biggest pain ever in my life. Losing him, and maybe after that, nothing is actually moving or not affected that much with anything. So the damage happened in the year 2020, 21. Yeah, of course. 21, good thing happened was my wedding.
Yes.
It started off like that.
Yes.
And it's almost a year in a couple of days.
You'll be celebrating your first anniversary.
First anniversary on 9th of Jan. And 8th of Jan is my concert and 9th of Jan is my wedding anniversary.
Already a rocking start to the
rocking
nice
start. And my daughter is here. She came from the US for a holiday. So entire family is in front of me. I'm with my family.
That's the reason for this glow, I think.
Definitely, yeah. See, that is only the reason, I think. See, what makes me more happy and super happy is being with my kids, my husband, my parents, my in-law, my mother-in-law. I mean, it's all, I'm a private person and a family-oriented person. Yes. So you all know that. So I gave a lot of importance to my personal life as well. So that makes me feel more happy and more, as you said, this glow is because of the people around me makes me feel really happy.
Absolutely, you've always been a people singer, and so I know you have a show on 8th January with Stephen. So tell me, in these days of so many apps for music and we are all logging in for online concerts, so where does the live music show stand? What do you think? How do you think people will react?
Live musical show is any day a lifetime experience. This is a revolution, definitely. In the year, maybe during the pandemic, online shows have started. A lot of online stuff is actually in today. People are inclined towards a lot of online stuff.
Yes.
And people are interested to watch any film, any new film for that matter. And a lot of people I know who used to go to the theatres on the first day of release, but they stopped going because of the pandemic, because of a lot of fears.
Yes.
So they are now totally depends on Hotstar or platforms like this. So it's a revolution. Music, especially concerts like this, musical shows. Witnessing the live concert itself is a great experience. You'll not get that experience sitting in your chair in four walls and watching TV. No, it is an experience. But you'll be seeing somebody, your favorite singer, on the stage performing for you. It feels amazing. Even today, I would like to go to any concert and watch. My present. I want to be present there.
Right, absolutely. That's superb. I also know that you really connected with your fans in the entire last year. Every day, 8:30 a.m. Sunita used to be live.
Then towards evening also.
Yeah. We got to see. At some point of time we would listen to you. So I heard that you have some die-hard fans who have your tattoos and not just as a singer but as a person, you've had an amazing impact on them. So, I don't know, tell me about a few crazy fans that you have.
I can show you one here.
So tell us, Victor, what
I don't say it's craziness. They connect to me so well. I don't know if I my sixth sense works so well sometimes, you know. Whoever I connect with, even if once I speak to them, I'm connected to them. Yeah, I don't see, I usually don't forget people.
Okay.
You know, if I see them even for the first time, I remember them for a long time, touch wood, and thanks to God for my memory.
Right.
And suddenly I called this girl called Indira. So she's like, I don't know, she was going through something. And I don't know what she was going through. I felt like just calling her and checking how she's doing. I suddenly called her and she's like, I don't know, after a couple of days I came to know that she was on the verge of giving her life.
Yes.
And I don't know why I called her. That was my second conversation with her. Seriously, I don't know why I call. There was no purpose there, no intention to call her to find out what, nothing. Just I picked up the call and
Must be telepathy.
maybe. See, I thought at that point of time when she told me that I was going through a lot of things at that point of time when you called, and she explained what happened. And I thought, I told her only one thing, that, you know, you're God's favorite child and He did something through me. Not me who saved your life.
Yeah.
It's not like that.
Okay.
So maybe my perception towards life, my perception towards people and so it's different maybe. I don't think I'm doing something. I mean, if something has happened to somebody, it's happening through me. So I'm only the instrument. So I'm very grateful to all of them, and so because of them, whatever the negativity came in my life,
Yeah.
you know, without my interference or without my presence, whatever happened, only I don't call them fans, I call them admirers, I call them followers. Fan ante chinnaga anpistundi.
Follower is more like.
Yeah, I follow them, they follow me.
Yes.
It's like mutual admiration.
Wonderful.
Because they respect me so well, they admire me so well. I do the same. I call them very often and I just check how they are doing. Not that
That is why I
like
call you superstar.
no. You know, I randomly call.
Okay.
I call this girl. How are you? And she cries sometimes. Everybody or anybody for that matter, we go through a lot of stress every day on a daily basis. It became part of our lives. Right? Stress is part of our life today. So at that point, maybe one word, maybe my voice is sweet. People connect to me so well because they see the warmth because of the modulation, or I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
But I sincerely make an effort to check on them, how they are doing.
So one last question, Sunita Garu. Is it you've sung so many songs now? How did you manage to keep away composers from giving you an item song? I mean, I know that you have a certain.
No. No, I don't keep them away. They keep me away.
So would you be ready to sing? Kind of
Why
professional.
not? See, I used to have this in mind that, you know, no, I'm not supposed to sing. No, those lyrics are bad.
Okay.
So I used to think like that initial stages of my career. But when I met Janak Garu, and she shared her experience with me,
Okay.
and she straight away told me that, how can you say no to a composer? How can you? It's not you who's singing. It is not shot on you.
Right.
See, it is shot on somebody else. You're giving your voice, lending your voice. So don't think that I sing this
Personal
song.
biases shouldn't come.
Personal bias shouldn't come. Yeah, rightly said. So this is what she told me. Don't you think? I used to think like this before, and I used to only get item numbers in initial stages of my career. So she told me her experience. She used to get only, mass numbers like,
Yeah, the vocabulary ones.
sensuous,
Yeah, I think those days they were called cabaret numbers.
cabaret numbers. I used to sing a lot of those kind of songs, but suddenly I realized the value of those songs. You know, it's not about what song you're singing. It's about how well you are presenting the song. Any kind of song, for that matter. If you take playback singing as your profession, and you should be ready with so many missiles.
Of course.
So afterwards, my perception has changed entirely towards songs. And I should be saying no.
Right.
So I'm ready. Why not? In fact, I did a couple of songs also for Kirvani Garu, for Nihal. They're not that popular, so.
Okay. Yeah, I'm sure your voice would suit any.
Now I'm ready to experiment. There's nothing wrong in it, but I want to give 100%.
Right.
So, if you ask me, antava, mama, antava, I don't know, but it may sound different. But yeah.
Absolutely. I mean, yeah, I guess. So 2021, we are hoping to see you do more in classical music. 22, yes. 2022, we hope to see you more collaborations, international, more live shows, more connection with fans, and things like that. So admirers, yes. So that was superstar singer, dubbing artist, also an actor recently with some short films. You did recently. One.
Thank God, people are saved. I did only one short film.
and of course, an amazing human being. So thank you, Sunita. That was super awesome.
Thank you so very much, and congrats to you. All the achievements, all the endeavors.
Thank you so much.